Fine. What is your business here?
We are visitors from Akua and we want a room.
You are visitors?
Yes.
From where?
Accra. So can we get one room?
Say you are where?
Accra. AC said Accra.
AC.
I
think say R-R-A-A-A. I hope everything is good. Yeah. Now what is your problem in this hotel?
We want a place to rest.
You want a place, every one of you want a place.
Yeah, we are together, so can you get us a room?
Together is not impossible. Every one person will have a room, 200.
No, please, we beg you. You see, tomorrow morning we are having a program at the Rotary Park, so you have to help us to get a room.
We have to help you. You have to take the room one after the other.
Okay. So what do you do?
One after the other. 200.
No, we can also sleep separately. You have to be in one room.
You have to be in where?
One room.
What are you talking about? This hotel will not celebrate.
We are siblings.
Not about siblings matter. We are not siblings. You can't battle in one room. It cannot be It's bullshit, woman. This hotel we don't handle that bullshit.
So you're not going to give us a place to stay?
Help us. For which reason? And what reason?
For we can't afford 3 rooms.
We can afford only 1. And then you have to get out. This hotel, we cannot. Why
are you doing that to us? Huh? Why?
If you're not difficult. You listen to me. It is your hotel. You can agree 3 people come sit together. That nonsense you don't agree for here.
Please, we are very sorry, but we wish to afford the single.
God damn
Our
it.
money is not up to. You see, we've been struggling to get here.
Manager.
Hello.
They are giving me luxury on this room. Manager, mama, luxury. Manager, manager, there. Nipa 3 at the 1 room. It cannot be possible with this body. Manager, I just want to be manager to me. I'm listening.
Yeah, very difficult.
Because of you, boss, I'm shouting me. If I don't do right way, you will sack me.
Tell me the problem.
Boss, 3 people in 1 room. It's offense. Or it's not offense. 3 people in 1 room against girls. They will talk about lesbians.
See?
I'm not joking here.
Please, we are not like that, I beg you. Do you know something?
Okay, can you tell me your story? My story is saying.
We can show you free Akua, okay? And then we're having a program at the Rotary Park tomorrow morning. So we actually want a place to lodge this evening. We wish to afford single rooms, but we can't. Our money is not up to. So we just want 1 room to stay. We are not going to do anything bad. We're not like that.
Yes, it is.
Boss, it's offense.
Yes.
No problem. Okay.
Are you sure?
Yeah, no problem. They're just from home.
No problem.
Itabanga.
Boss, I'm praying for boss. Boss is praying for.
Come on, okay.
Boss, I'm taking to
Thank
boss.
you very much.
Okay, boss, run a court. Ni battery 1 room. I didn't feel that bad. Everybody here, my friend. Everybody here, chill. Everybody here, I want to train out the gates. They are armed here.
Hey, now open the door.
Madam, me check is listening book.
And I was saying,
I said, Madam, if I'm ready, we are bombing. I'm checking hotel.
saying,
Hey, first, I'm a phone.
sorry for us. Hey, don't know where you are. I don't know where you are. We are Kompany free.
Madam, be here.
Ladies,
Boss.
sorry.
Boss.
Okay, I said,
Boss, me check is your mobile.
Boss, check your papa.
Boss, but you know, like how? Later, always say,
Kompany. Me assure say me be rubber no ni kwase ka be.
Now, to see Mumuda will be in Sunday.
You see the tears na man be rubber.
Manager, me kana na me me be check say si bibia ye duma orumu ama.
It's what me the wrong the same man.
Manager, we are Manager,
What wrong with sir?
Manager, me check yes.
Come to mama it won't find you so outside.
Friend 911.
Your name Kompany, no be gumi Kompany, no one Kompany.
Manager, what about 2 and there Manager,
I see there we are not going to pay for your hotel bill.
I'm sorry.
Madam, yes, Madam, me check yes.
Kompany.
That one I'm very
And they are talking about
Hey, what's my title? Top way.
Madam,
Top way.
boss, my tally check.
Top way.
Mama not Italian, yes, Mama not Italian.
Top in here. Then get out.
1 minute.
Get out.
I'm
disappointed
though. It's a hotel for me.
Get up.
Manager, it's not going to happen.
I'm here to apologize, okay? I'm begging you guys. Someone from Chile, sir.
This is some hotel rooms in the other hand. No one from one.
Give some respect to me, okay?
Baby, we are ourselves on social media. Why did I keep my
Thank you, ladies. Okay, you're always welcome.
You can go, thank you.
Right.
But you're not going to pay.
No problem.
What is